So tonight we decided we're gonna start for the first time some what, Sky? Canning. Tomato, right. So we're gonna can some tomatoes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
We have some, well, this is what's left of what we took, but we had a lot of tomatoes in here and we said we're gonna do it. We had them in excess. We're going to can them before they spoil on us. So we've placed them in water for 30 to, no, first of all, we made an X on them. See them here. These are they. We've made an X on them on the side that the stem doesn't come from, right? On the tip of the tomato. We place them in hot water for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Place them in ice cold water. See the little ice there struggling. And then Mama G is over here removing the skin, and then we pour them and put them in quarters. And this is our first time, so let's see how it goes.
Okay.
So Mama G has taken it up, she has poured it, and then she's going to peel the skin. I tend to pour it a little deeper than that, but you know, everybody have their own method. In the night here, after 9 people, they have me up doing this. Alright. Pray for us in this process, because yes, Mama G, get that part out. This is the first time we're doing it. Yes, then you can do it in quarters. Alright. So let's see. We don't want anything to go to waste. We've given away, we've eaten. We want to try something other than ketchup because we have ketchup in the fridge still. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice being added to each jar. Pray for us, guys. This is our first time. But we're going by the instructions to the T. We're not cutting corners here. So our jars, Sharon, what did you do with the jars?
I wash them in soap, water, and allow them to drain.
Okay.
If you want, you can also sterilize them, but that's
not needed for pressure canning because the pressure canning
right.
sterilizes them as well.
So,
yeah. And then what we do now, Sharon, we're gonna add the tomatoes to them.
yes.
Add some water first and then add the tomatoes.
You can also add salt if you want.
But you should add canning salt, which we have none of, so we're not going to do the most today. Alright. So we decided to just go with our, what is this?
Himalayan.
Pure Himalayan salt. I'm just adding literally a few to this. We're just gonna do 3 and see, mommy, how it goes, right? Yeah. We don't think we're gonna be able to can more than 3 based on the amount of tomatoes we have. It's not a lot. First time, we're just testing it out. Alright.
We never have to wait every minute.
So we're putting in the tomatoes in the jars. Thank you, Sky. It's heavy though. Yeah. Yes, please.
Tomato look good.
Tomato look good?
Organic, rich.
Yeah. Compared to like,
I feel like that's enough. You don't feel like that's enough?
Put one more.
Remember, say you're gonna put water in and you don't want it to be too. I feel like that's enough. Let's see. This is gonna be. I think this is gonna be more than 3.
how long you think this could stay for?
How long it could stay for?
Based on what I read, for the pressure canning, up to 18 months.
Up to
18 months?
18 months. Nice.
That's a long time.
So we use it for when you're gonna try it, Nicola, when you go back overseas.
No.
Meet her.
I don't even want to lie. No. No. This is work. You understand? I mean, it's doable work, but
Not with your schedule, maybe.
not with my schedule. I'll just be canning my whole house. I'll be like, probably take 2 months to can everything. But it's very doable. Very doable.
Yeah, I think it's doable too.
Very doable.
So we need more time. This is 3, more than 3
And
years.
tomato is a great product to start
Startup,
with.
yes. Whenever we have cucumbers again, we can do cucumbers. I think I'm excited for that. And what do you call it, like jams?
Can we go quickly enough to make cucumber?
Yes. There.
Alright. See my
I wanted some more salt.
They look good though.
Look at us. Canning. Who would have thought?
Could you can potato or no?
Yes.
Other things?
You can. And it's easy to can apparently.
Oh.
one of the easier things, so you don't cook it. You just cut it up and put it in there and you season it.
Yeah.
You just make, you don't even take off the skins.
You don't?
No,
You don't take off the skin?
no.
Interesting. You wash it and just
Yeah,
cut
I
it.
saw them do it.
So we have potatoes here. You want to try some?
I saw somebody do it. What's your name?
Yeah, Mama G asked if you want to try.
That's
The
what I was
only thing
saying.
is when you look at the timing,
Timing might be different.
and we'd have to just do the longer time
Ah.
if we're gonna mix it.
Well, it could be. We couldn't do it
Sure.
because it's more delicate.
Yeah.
So we're gonna throw whatever water we catch in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we
Well, we
do.
could just pour this one. So we ended up getting
Last one.
almost.
I'm sorry, we never get two way home. There
Oh.
it is.
So we consolidated into one. The extra that we had, the 5
Right.
container, was not enough. So we just consolidated, and we had a lot of head space. So we're just gonna add some water to 1 inch.
Wait, what? More.
1 inch, right? So it's right there. Oh, you come up more? You should tell me. Yes, that's fine.
And then
And I see where the 1 inch is now based on that. Can try. Yes, please. Right. Yeah, that's good. Because I can judge it from this one. So some people can use the hot water, like put it in the hot water bath. I saw that method where it was hot and everything is hot, like the jars are hot and whatever. That's too much.
okay. That's fine.
Okay, alright.
You
So
can
we
use
got
it.
it
You
perfectly.
can push it.
So then the others.
But to make sure that there's no.
So this is what I'm using.
That's it.
Yes. So we make sure that I remove
Air
all
bubbles.
air bubbles. I did it already because it already had some fluid. But I just doing it around the side to make sure all the air bubbles are removed. Because you don't want it to expand and crack the glass. Or anything like that.
And also allows it to be uniformly penetrated.
Oh, but look at that. See, you see more water. When you do that, you see
Right.
that? It goes down. Because you literally remove the air bubbles. I know what more water is needed.
Most of them, you know,
Yeah,
at least it's
give me this one. That's fine.
it's gonna need some more.
See there? It's fine. It's okay now. This one needs more. It's not touching. Those are fine. It's this one. And it look like a little bit too much. Okay. This is like exact. This one's a little more. Yeah. Just a tad bit. All right. And now we are ready to fire up the grill.
Okay.
Just to make sure it's clean.
The process went by fast though.
So these are the 3 that have
Space
water.
fillers.
Yes, and these are the
Products.
4 that have tomatoes. So
Produce.
let's see. All right.
Go ahead.
All right, and based on our tomato setting, it should
And our
be
altitude?
on 1. Our altitude.
2.
It's 2? Okay. Right, and that's it. So that, and then we turn on the stove. Pray for us, y'all. So we took off the caps. This is the
Okay.
next morning. And we have canned our tomatoes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell. And remember, if we can do canning, you can do it too.